Hi, my name is Lonnie Hewitt. I'm the area executive chef of the resorts over here at Dollywood. Today we're going to be making a holiday turkey brine, great for Christmas and or Thanksgiving. So we start off with 2 gallons of water in this pot. This is 3 cups of apple cider, 4 sprigs of rosemary, fresh, chopped. We have 5 garlic cloves. It says 2 cups of brown sugar, 1.5 cup of salt, kosher salt, 3 tablespoons of peppercorns, black. These are a tablespoon of allspice berries, and 3 whole oranges just chopped up into wedges. We're going to put all that in the pot there. We're going to turn that on high and bring it to a simmer for about 5 minutes, and then shut it down, cool it off, and then we're going to throw Tom right in the pot. Happy holidays from us at Dollywood.